Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So we have CPI inflation data coming out today, definitely a big news event for the US. I mean, to me, I do not think this move up is over, and I think this move up is likely a pullback to this move down, but I think the move up is likely to go to one of these higher fib levels before it does turn down. So we have what I think is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. I think we have 1, 2, 3 down for like a W. This potentially could be 1, 2, 3 up for like an X. I think we might be in a move to the downside for like another three waves down for a Y. And this is like a WXY of B. And eventually it's potentially going to go back up to like one of these higher levels for a C to complete an ABC correction to the weekly, monthly downtrend. So definitely that is what I think is going to happen going down to the 1 hour time frame, anything can really happen as CPI inflation data. I mean, it could potentially just keep going up from here, but it seems more likely that it is going to try to push down more, especially looking at all of the US dollar pairs as a group. I personally am definitely bullish because of the daily time frame, so I actually would prefer to just wait for it to play out. I'd wait for this move down to finish. I would wait for a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, and that is potentially where I would try to go long for the continuation of this move up. But we'll have to see. I mean, like I said, it potentially is just a pullback to this right here. I mean, it potentially could just keep on going up from here. The CPI inflation data is sometimes a really big mover, so trade with very cautious and make sure you're using proper stop losses and risk management as always. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.